How to boost your immunity? This is the big question of this year, and the answer is eating certain foods can help you to keep your immune system strong. If you're looking for foods to prevent illness and boost your immunity, then plan your meals including these 9 powerful foods to boost your immunity. I'm your friend Kulvinder Sohi. This is my brother Kullu and आइए देखते हैं कि इम्यूनिटी को कैसे बूस्ट करें. Papaya is a fruit that is loaded with vitamin C. You can find daily recommended amount of vitamin C in a single papaya. अच्छा, मैं तो फिर आज ही पपीता लेके आता हूँ. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which break down the protein found in muscle meat and can help you in digestion also. Papaya have decent amount of potassium, vitamin B, folate, all of these which are beneficial to immune system. Papaya is also contain decent amount of so much other antioxidants and vitamin A. All of these vitamins and antioxidants make it a great fruit for boosting our immunity. Garlic is one of the most widely used spice for adding extra flavor to the food. Garlic is known by one other name, that is immunity boosting superstar. लेकिन मुझे तो लहसुन अच्छा नहीं लगता, इसीलिए तू बहुत जल्दी बीमार पड़ जाता है. For thousands of years, people all over the world used garlic for good health. It helped to treat common cold, flu, and variety of other illnesses. Despite its nutritious odor, this plant is actually belong to the lily family. One clove of garlic contains 5 mg of calcium, 12 mg of potassium, and more than 100 sulfuric compounds, powerful enough to wipe out bacteria and infection. In fact, garlic was used to prevent gangrene in both world wars. Raw garlic, not cooked or dried, is the most beneficial to the health, since heat and water inactivate sulfur enzyme, which can diminish the garlic antibiotic effects. Garlic also seems to lower blood pressure and cholesterol, also kill parasite in our body. Both green and black teas are packed with flavonoids. भाई ये फ्लेवोनॉइड्स क्या होता है? ये एक एंटीऑक्सीडेंट होता है जो कि फ्री रेडिकल्स को किल करता है. Green tea really excels its levels of epigallocatechin gallate or EGCG. EGCG has been shown to enhance the immune function. The fermentation process black tea goes through destroy a lot of EGCG present in it. Green tea on the other hand is steamed and not fermented, and EGCG is preserved. It has been studied to treat various diseases and may be one of the main reason green tea has such powerful medicinal properties. Green tea is also a good source of amino acid L-theanine. L-theanine may aid in the production of germ fighting compounds in your T cells. ये तो कॉलीफ्लावर जैसी दिखती है, बट ब्रोकली फुल ग्रीन कलर की होती है. ब्रोकली is supercharged with vitamin and minerals, packed with vitamin A, C and E, as well as many other antioxidants and fiber. Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetable you can put on your table. The rich amount of vitamin C found in broccoli which help to boost your immune system. 100 grams of broccoli can contain 89 milligrams of vitamin C, which is more than a lot of citrus fruits. Broccoli is also rich in beta carotene and other antioxidants, which make it a perfect vegetable for your overall immunity. The key to keep its power intact is to cook it as little as possible, or better yet, not at all. But out of all cooking methods, steaming is the best if you want to preserve the nutrients present in broccoli. Ginger is another ingredient that many people have trusted since ages for treating various types of illnesses. मुझे तो अदरक की चटनी बहुत पसंद है. हाँ भाई, मुझे भी. Ginger may help to decrease inflammation, which can help reduce sore throat, flu, and common cold, and many other inflammatory illnesses. Ginger may also decrease nausea and vomiting. Ginger packs some heat in the form of gingerol. It is the relative of capsaicin. This is compound decrease chronic pain and possesses cholesterol lowering properties.
पोपाई द सेलर मैन भी पालक खा के स्ट्रॉन्ग होता था, है ना?
वो सिर्फ एक कार्टून था। Spinach is rich in vitamin C, is also packed with numerous antioxidants and beta carotene, which increase infection fighting ability of your immune system. This vegetable can be incorporated quite easily into your diet and cheap as well as very easy to prepare. Spinach is rich in calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, vitamin A, folate, and many other antioxidants, which are essential micronutrients for your immune system. Spinach is healthiest when it is cooked as little as possible so that it retains its nutrients. Spinach is also one of the best source of dietary magnesium, which is necessary for healthy immune system and also maintain your blood pressure levels.
भैया सिट्रस फ्रूट्स में कौन कौन से फल आते हैं?
इसमें नींबू, ऑरेंज एंड इसके जैसे और खट्टे फ्रूट आते हैं। Citrus fruits are best source of vitamin C. It helps to build immune system. Vitamin C increase the production of white blood cells, which are key to fighting infections. A review published in Nutritional Journal that getting enough vitamin C can reduce the symptoms and shorten the duration of respiratory tract infection like common cold. It may also useful in preventing and improving outcomes for conditions like pneumonia, malaria, and diarrhea, and prevent damage to immune cells. Citrus fruits include grapefruit, oranges, tangerines, lemons, and limes. Because your body does not produce and store vitamin C for continued health, you need daily doses of vitamin C. Almost all citrus fruits are high in vitamin C. If you think citrus fruits have high in vitamin C, well, think again. Red bell pepper contains twice as much vitamin C as compared to citrus fruits.
अच्छा, लाल शिमला मिर्च में ज्यादा विटामिन सी होते हैं? मुझे तो ये पता ही नहीं था।
कोई बात नहीं कुल्लू। Besides boosting immune system, vitamin C may also help to maintain a healthy skin. Red bell pepper are also a rich source of beta carotene. Beta carotene help to keep your eyes and skin healthy.
Yes, I know. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. And सेब तो मेरा favorite fruit भी है।
Yes, you're right, Kullu. There are many different reasons why apples are great for building a strong immunity and good health. First and foremost, apple contain good quantity of all essential vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, and vitamin C. All vitamins are essential for proper functioning of immune system. Apples also contain pectin. Pectin is a type of fiber that act as prebiotic. This means it feeds good bacteria in your gut, or gut bacteria directly regulate the functions of immune system. In addition to good diet, exercise, proper sleep, and proper supplementation is essential to build a good immunity at this time of year. दोस्तों, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं एक ऐसी ही वीडियो आपके लिए हिंदी में लेके आऊँ तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं। एंड दोस्तों, सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना, क्योंकि आपके एक सब्सक्राइब करने से ही हमें बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलता है। तो दोस्तों, सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार। एंड आपसे फिर से मुलाकात होगी एक नई वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए दोस्तों, स्टे सेफ।